quick 60-second guide. MacBook Pro 17-inch Unibody lower case replacement. Tools needed: Pentalobe P5, Torx T6, Phillips number 00, spudger, anti-static mat. Power down, unplug, flip laptop, and remove the 10 Pentalobe P5 screws. Use a spudger, gently pry the lower case tabs and lift the panel away slowly. Time-lapse, remove internal Torx T6 and Phillips number 00 screws securing components. Label and remove the battery connector and optical base screws, then set the original lower case aside. Part number A1297LC. Inspect the replacement lower case and verify part number A1297LC and alignment tabs. Align rear tabs first, then press the lower case down along the edges until all clips engage. Reinstall internal screws in the reverse order using Torx T6 and Phillips number 00 as labeled. Reconnect the battery ribbon and check connector seating. Ensure no cables are pinched. Close the case and reinstall the 10 Pentalobe P5 screws, torque finger tight only. Final checklist: screws tight, connectors seated, alignment correct. Safety tip: use the ESD strap and work on anti-static mat. For parts and details, visit the product page or subscribe for more guides.